Welcome to a future where your mind stays sharp and your memory stays strong. Imagine a world where Alzheimer's and dementia are just distant worries, and you hold the key to your brain health. Today, we're diving into some amazing natural ways to protect your brain from cognitive decline. With studies predicting that by 2050, the number of people affected by dementia could triple, it's time to take action. Stick around as we explore 8 incredible spices that not only enhance your meals, but also boost your brain power. Ready to discover the top spice that could make all the difference? Let's get started. Let's kick things off with 8 amazing spices that can help prevent Alzheimer's and dementia, each one bringing something special to the table. Stick with us until the end, because the number 1 spice might just be the most important of them all. And hey, before we dive in, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more awesome health tips coming your way. Starting our list at number 8 is black pepper, the spice that's in just about every kitchen. This common yet mighty ingredient is packed with piperine, a compound that's shown to improve brain function. Piperine works wonders by boosting the production of serotonin and dopamine, 2 neurotransmitters that are key to mood and cognitive function. But that's not all. Black pepper also helps your body absorb other health-boosting compounds, like curcumin from turmeric, making your meals not just tastier, but also more nutritious. Research points to black pepper's antioxidant and anti-inflammatory powers, which can protect brain cells and lower the risk of neurodegenerative diseases. Adding black pepper to your meals is easy. Just a sprinkle on salads, soups, or any main dish can make a big difference. So, next time you're seasoning your food, remember this spice isn't just for flavor, it's a brain-boosting powerhouse. Next up, at number 7, we have cinnamon, a spice famous for its sweet, warm aroma. But it's not just delicious. Cinnamon is packed with neuroprotective benefits. Loaded with powerful antioxidants like cinnamaldehyde and polyphenols, it helps fight oxidative stress and inflammation in the brain. Research shows that cinnamon can boost cognitive function and memory by promoting neuroplasticity, the brain's ability to form new neural connections. It may also help prevent the buildup of tau protein tangles, which are linked to Alzheimer's disease. Add it to your morning oatmeal, stir a little into your coffee, or blend it into smoothies for a tasty, brain-boosting treat. Cinnamon also shines in baking and cooking, enhancing both sweet and savory dishes. By incorporating it into your daily routine, you're not only enjoying its rich flavor, but also reaping the cognitive benefits it offers. At number 6, we have nutmeg, a spice with a warm, nutty flavor that's perfect for baking and holiday treats. But nutmeg isn't just for making your dishes taste amazing. It also packs some powerful brain-boosting benefits. This aromatic spice contains compounds like myristicin and macelignon, which help protect brain cells and improve cognitive function. Nutmeg's neuroprotective properties fight oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which can play a role in neurodegenerative diseases like Alzheimer's. Plus, nutmeg has calming effects, helping to reduce stress and anxiety, which is great for overall brain health. You can add a pinch of ground nutmeg to your morning coffee, sprinkle it over warm milk before bed, or blend it into smoothies and baked goods for a flavorful and healthy twist. Whether in sweet or savory dishes, nutmeg enhances the flavor while giving your brain a boost. Coming in at number 5 is rosemary, the fragrant herb that's not just great for cooking, but also a powerful ally for your brain. Packed with antioxidants and anti-inflammatory compounds like carnosic acid, rosemary helps protect brain cells and supports overall brain health. What's even more interesting is its ability to boost memory and concentration. Studies have found that simply inhaling the aroma of rosemary can significantly improve cognitive performance and mental clarity. This herb works its magic by increasing blood flow to the brain, delivering more oxygen and nutrients to enhance cognitive function. You can use fresh or dried rosemary to season meats, roasted veggies, and soups, or brew it into a refreshing tea for a brain-boosting drink. For an extra cognitive boost, try placing a few sprigs of rosemary in your workspace or using rosemary essential oil in a diffuser. It's a simple way to give your brain the support it needs. At number 4, we've got ginger, the zesty root that's known for its bold flavor and incredible health benefits. When it comes to brain health, ginger really shines with its powerful anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties. Compounds like gingerols and shogols help protect brain cells from damage and may even lower the risk of age-related cognitive decline. Studies show that ginger can boost working memory and attention, helping you maintain healthy brain function as you age. Plus, it improves blood circulation, ensuring your brain gets all the oxygen and nutrients it needs to stay sharp. You can enjoy ginger in so many ways. Add fresh ginger to stir-fries and smoothies. Sip on ginger tea or sprinkle ground ginger into your baking and cooking. It's a tasty way to give your brain a boost. Taking the third spot is sage, a herb that truly lives up to its name, meaning wisdom in Latin. For centuries, traditional medicine has recognized sage as a brain-boosting powerhouse, and now modern science backs it up. Sage contains compounds that help prevent the breakdown of acetylcholine, a neurotransmitter that's essential for memory and learning. Research shows that sage can enhance memory and attention in both younger and older adults. It also helps reduce inflammation and oxidative stress in the brain, which could slow cognitive decline. You can easily incorporate sage into your diet by adding fresh leaves to pasta dishes, roasted veggies, or meat recipes, or brew it into a delicious tea for a brain-boosting drink. Either way, sage is a flavorful way to support your brain health. Coming in at number 2 is turmeric, the golden spice that's been making waves in the health world. Its active compound, curcumin, is a powerhouse with strong anti-inflammatory and antioxidant properties, and it can even cross the blood-brain barrier, providing direct support to brain cells. Studies show that turmeric may help clear amyloid plaques, which are linked to Alzheimer's disease, and it also boosts the production of brain-derived neurotrophic factor, BDNF, a protein that encourages the growth of new neurons. For the best results, pair turmeric with black pepper and a healthy fat to enhance its absorption. You can add it to curries, smoothies, or enjoy it as a golden milk latte. Turmeric supplements are another option, but be sure to check with your healthcare provider before adding them to your routine. Finally, taking the top spot is saffron, the world's most expensive spice, and with good reason. This precious spice has shown incredible promise in protecting brain health and even combating depression. Studies suggest that saffron can be just as effective as certain antidepressant medications, while also boosting memory and learning abilities. Saffron is packed with powerful antioxidants like crocin and safranol, which help shield brain cells from oxidative stress and inflammation. These compounds also work to prevent the formation of amyloid plaques and support the production of neurotransmitters that are vital for mood regulation and cognitive function. Though saffron can be pricey, a little bit goes a long way. Just add a few threads to rice dishes, soups, or teas to enjoy its brain-boosting benefits. Remember, adding these spices to your diet is just one step toward maintaining brain health. Pair them with regular exercise, quality sleep, and mental challenges for maximum results. In the next video, we'll dive into 10 early signs of dementia that few people know. Thanks for joining us on this brain-boosting journey. Remember, adding these spices to your diet is just one step toward maintaining brain health. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to like, subscribe, and ring that bell for more awesome health tips. We'd love to hear from you. Which spice will you add to your diet first? Drop a comment below, and make sure to check out our other videos on the screen for more insights on keeping your mind sharp and healthy. Your brain will thank you.